Hey, what's up? I mean, what's up with your geyser? You know, up in your ceiling. I mean, you don't generally think of its environmental impact, right? Do you really know what's up with that? Do you know your geyser's carbon footprint? How you can cut down on your energy usage? Or what alternative heating methods there are? So what's up with Geysers and Sustainability? There are two ways to reduce the impact of your water heater. So what's up with changing your geyser technology? You can use less energy by choosing a solar-powered heater, installing point-of-use geysers, installing low-flow fixtures in your showers, insulating your geyser, or fitting an electrical timer. All of which should be installed by a trained professional who should also come with recommendation. But what's up with what you can do personally? You can use less hot water by taking showers over baths, using cold water for your household laundry, not letting hot water run without using it, scheduling hot water times to once or twice a day only, or setting your thermostat to a lower temperature. What else can you think of? Of course, we believe the answer to what's up should always be Ariston, because we have been a global specialist in water heating for over 60 years. Our innovative energy-conscious products are designed to last, delivering sustainable comfort for longer with less energy and effort, so we can all continue to enjoy life at home and on our planet. What's up? Ariston, of course.